So the first thing that I'm gonna do with our Baby Alive doll is to change her dress. Alright guys, so I painted both of her eyes with some blue craft paint. So now I'm going to need to outline the bottom of her eye in black. Hi friends, Goldie here. Today I'm with this adorable Baby Alive doll. She's so cute, but guess what? We're gonna transform her into Baby Mavie Wavy from Hotel Transylvania 3. It's gonna be awesome. So first I'm gonna show you a little about Sweet Spoonfuls baby, and then we're gonna transform her. She's for ages 3+. She comes with a bottle and a cool food mixer with a spin handle, a comb, and baby food and diapers. Let's get her open. Alright friends, so here is our Sweet Spoonfuls baby out of the box. She is so adorable. I love her piggy tails. So she comes with just a little like sack dress. It goes around her neck, and she comes with 2 packs of baby food. This says pears, and this is yummy broccoli. Her own Baby Alive bottle, and her own cute Baby Alive blender. So this later is what we'll mix some food in. And last, it comes with 2 Baby Alive diapers. Now, when you feed your baby and give your baby the bottle, you have to change your baby afterwards, because babies don't like to sit in a dirty diaper, and you cannot reuse these diapers. And once you're done with the packet of food, you can't store it. So once you feed your baby one of these packs, you have to throw the rest of it away. So the first thing that I'm gonna do with our Baby Alive doll is to change her dress. I had a little witch Halloween decoration. So I took the little dress off my little witch, and it's gonna be for Baby Mavis. Alright guys, so what I decided to do is I kind of cut the dress more straight across, like Mavis wears like a very straight dress. And then I cut the arms so that they weren't pointed like the witch's dress. And then I just took some safety pins. Now since I don't have stockings, you know, Mavis wears the black and red stockings, I'm gonna tape her legs and make stockings with tape. Let's do it. Alright, that was pretty easy. We've got some black leggings. Now we need to put the red stripes. Alright guys, so her leggings are done with paper tape, and I made her some shoes with the paper tape. How clever. Alright, so next, as you can see on the screen, Mavis has blue eyes. So we're going to paint our Baby Alive baby's eyes blue so she can be Baby Mavie Wavy. Alright guys, so I painted both of her eyes with some blue craft paint. So now I'm going to need to outline the bottom of her eye in black. And then we're going to have to maybe paint Mavis's lips like a dark purple. You can see her lips are now like a purple color. They're like a purple color. So now I'm going to take down her hair, and we're going to try to style it like Mavis's hair. So she's going to have a haircut, I think, because her hair is too long. So the main thing is to get a point. Mavis's hair goes to a point. So when I was doing her eyebrows with my black like paint pen, I really like messed up. So when I went to wipe it, it smeared all over up above her eyebrow. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna let her face dry, and I'm gonna show you how to mix the baby food. So here is the cute blender cup. I'm gonna take the lid off, and then let's make her some pears. So let's see, we're gonna put the water in up to this level, and then we're gonna mix in the pears. So let me get some water. Now I'm going to take my packet of pears. Now this is the Baby Alive baby food. I'm going to pour it in. I'm going to see if it smells like pears. I can't really tell. So now we're going to put on our top. This is so cute. What a clever little idea. Alright, so as you stir the baby food, it thickens up. So while it's thickening, it's just going to sit here, and we're going to get the baby bottle, Baby Alive baby bottle. Now remember, there's 3 little markings here. It wants you to only put it to the lowest one, so I'm going to add some water. So now we have her baby food in her bottle. Alright guys, we're almost ready to feed Mavis, but I have these really cute bat stickers, so I'm going to take one of these purple bats and put them on the bottom of her dress. Alright guys, I think she actually turned out really, really, really cute. Her hair has got the little point up top, see the point? And she's got her blue eyes and her purple lips and her black dress and her stockings. Now we can feed her. So baby Mavis, are you hungry? Hungry. She's gonna love this. Here we go, baby wavy. Yum, 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 yum. I think she wants a bottle, guys. Let's give her bottle. Here you go, Maybe. Whoa, she was so thirsty, guys. To continue the fun, click on one of the videos on the screen below. Or you can click on my face, Goldie Star, to subscribe to Treasure Chest Surprise Toys.